All right, Thabo. So essentially, Thabo Mosia has been sentenced to life imprisonment for the murder of Linda Matati. Of course, he was also charged with rape, defeating the ends of justice, as well as kidnapping. This, of course, like you say, is a case that dates back to 2016. Earlier on, I heard you speak about, him not wanting to come to court. It wouldn't obviously be a happy Mosia or Thabo Mosia case without any delays. You'll remember, just during his trial, there was a point where he asked for a 4-month postponement because he wanted his legal team to come back. So during that process, we understand that he was in the process of selling his house so that he could afford his legal representative through a fit in court, and did not want any other legal team, any other, or rather a state lawyer to represent him, because he wanted his lawyer. So those delays are some of the things that also had to be taken into account. You remember, this is someone, Thabo, who sat on the lap of luxury during the height of his criminal career. He's known as the kingpin of cash and transit heists. But today it all ended for him. He's sent behind bars for life. I've got with me the NPA's Pindi Mjonondo. And thank you so much for your time, Pindi. I mean, I only imagine a case that has taken so long, that it finally brings about justice to the family, but also kind of send a message about the criminal justice system in the country.
Indeed, yes, Linda. I am tempted to say that today's case actually brought the old adage of the long arm of the law is bound to catch you. It has been brought to life today by this case, and I am saying so because before court we had an accused person who unashamedly told the court that he led a life of crime, boasting about his achievements, the things that he has been able to achieve through criminal activities. So yes, indeed, finally this case has been brought to finality. It has been a long wait for the mother of the deceased, and we hope that as the NPA, she's able to find solace in the fact that the perpetrator who killed her daughter is now imprisoned, has been sent to jail for life imprisonment.
Like you say, you speak about the issue of the family, and I had an opportunity just shortly after the case wrapped up. I had an opportunity to speak to Linda Matati's mother, Gloria Sibuyi, who says she welcomes this, sentence, but she's also quite, not impressed with the sentence on rape, which is 10 years. What does the law say when it comes to such issues, and why do you think the judge reached this conclusion that in the rape instance, he would only get 10 years?
Okay. Remember, Linda, that here we're dealing with the rape of an adult. So the minimum prescribed sentence for rape of an adult, it's 10 years imprisonment. So we believe that as an NPA, it is a just sentence, seeing that we were dealing with a case where an adult person was raped. We had no information to suggest that she was gang raped, as we know that we only had one accused person who was convicted of her rape. No any other semen of any other person was found in her private parts, only the semen of the accused person. And also we did not have information that the accused person, or we did not have any evidence to the effect that the accused person repeatedly raped her. So hence now the court had to stay at the minimum sentence of 10 years, prescribed sentence.
All right, there you have it, Akoli. That is Pindi Mjonondo from the NPA.